Get to it. Can we grow mangoes in Zone 9 Vegas? Look at all this lengthy growth on this guy. I got this in about February. This is a Glen mango. Right now we're in the hundreds, 107 I think it is. Got this sprayed with that kaolin clay. If you haven't watched my video on how to make some of that for protection. But this thing's kind of getting lengthy. I think I need to chop this down a little bit. Get some new growth. It's kind of just growing out sideways in some random shoots. Leaves look good. It's looking healthy. We have this in a 15-gallon grow bag. But we need to do some fixing. A month later, we're getting some new growth still. Leathery growth, but this thing's just growing just lengthy. We're definitely withstanding the heat, so that doesn't seem to be the problem. I do think the winter's going to be the hardest part with this guy. I've had two other mangoes that have died in the winter, but I think I've got that alleviated. But this thing is kind of like bending sideways for some reason. I don't think I want it to grow like this. Almost like it's getting stuck. Gotta figure this out. We're definitely gonna top it. All of my plants are on the same watering schedule, same sort of soil. But this guy, it's surviving, it's thriving. This makes no sense. I don't know what's going on with this tree. It's like its gravitational pull is going this way, is going the opposite way. This is a couple months out from where we were before. Alright, we're topping this guy. Got some snips. Apparently mangoes need to be topped often, actually. They need to be snipped back. So let's get this going. Let's find a good spot. A lot of people snip at knee length, but not this guy. I think I'm going to do it where all this... Like, look at all this growth. Everything that's green is new. And this is over a couple of months. I think we're going to get it where... we have a node, so we're right around there. What do you guys think? Make sure you clean off any bacteria off of your snips. There you go. Alright, let me bring you guys in to take a look at what this looks like. I think it's a good spot. We are still stuck though. Why is this happening? Like, microclimate problems, I guess. Like maybe one of the arms is growing around another plant someplace. I need to snip that too. Alright, take a look at this. You can always see already see the shoots. I think it's a good spot. Let's get this painted. So I hit it with kaolin clay. Still looking pretty good. No diseases. Nothing that looks troubling. I think I'm gonna graft this though. I have that dang old tree that I wanted to graft something to. Maybe this would be the perfect thing to do that with. Try my luck at grafting. I haven't done that yet. Just checking on this guy a couple of days later, and it's looking good. It's starting to heal. All this growth is it's starting to shoot out. We're looking good if I say so myself. I just think this is hilarious. Things just do what they want to do. This is that dragon fruit. It fell, it planted itself, and now it's just growing up in here. I'm just letting it do its thing. As I do most of my plants. I should have kept a bigger eye on this mango. These bananas looking great. Everything's looking great over here. Summer's winding down, but the big thing's gonna be the winter. I don't even know what this is. I don't know. I let my garden do what it wants. Leave me some comments on your desert garden experiences. Let's grow.